The Industrial Revolution was a massive shift in how humans produced goods and lived their daily lives. Let's look at why it changed everything. At its heart, this was a complete transformation of the global economy, moving from hand production methods to machines. Starting in Britain during the mid-18th century, the movement relied on new inventions like the steam engine to power factories. This shift centralized work into factories, drew workers into cities, and fundamentally increased the speed at which goods could be made. Before this era, items were made slowly by hand. Afterward, economies of scale allowed goods to become cheaper and more accessible. Output skyrocketed as machine efficiency improved. This growth laid the foundation for the modern consumer economy we participate in today. Historians often note that this period proved how technology could permanently raise the standard of living for a growing population. Understanding these historical cycles helps us see the roots of our modern financial systems. Educational content, not financial advice.